Listen and practice. Reading English novels. Reading English novels is a wonderful way to improve language skills and escape into exciting worlds. When I open a book, it's like stepping into a new adventure. One of the great things about reading novels is that it helps me learn new words and phrases. I often come across words I don't know, but the context helps me understand their meanings. It's like a secret code that I unlock with every page I turn. Novels also introduce me to different cultures and perspectives. I get to meet interesting characters and see the world from their point of view. It's like taking a journey to far-off places without leaving my chair. Reading novels is a relaxing and enjoyable activity. I can curl up with a book on a rainy day or take one to the park on a sunny afternoon. It's a way to escape from everyday life and get lost in a good story. Moreover, it improves my writing skills. By seeing how authors construct sentences and tell stories, I learn how to express myself better in English. In conclusion, reading English novels is not just a hobby, it's a valuable learning experience. It expands my vocabulary, exposes me to diverse cultures, and lets me explore new worlds. It's a passport to adventure and knowledge, and I cherish every page I read. Learning English online. I am learning English online, and it's an exciting journey. Every day, I sit in front of my computer and explore the world of English. My lessons start with fun videos and interactive exercises. I watch cartoons and listen to songs in English, which not only helps me understand the language but also brings a smile to my face. My virtual teacher is patient and kind. They guide me through grammar and vocabulary lessons, making it easy to learn step by step. Whenever I have a question, I can ask, and they're always there to help. The best part is meeting friends from around the world in my online English class. We practice speaking together, sharing stories about our lives and cultures. It's like traveling to different countries without leaving my room. At night I read English books and it feels like going on adventures with the characters. The more I read, the better my English becomes. Learning English online is not just about language. It's about discovering new worlds and making friends. It's an amazing journey, and I can't wait to see where it takes me next. My hometown. My hometown. My hometown is a small, peaceful place where life moves at a gentle pace. My hometown is a small, peaceful place where life moves at a gentle pace. It's a place where everyone knows everyone else, and there's a strong sense of community. It's a place where everyone knows everyone else, and there's a strong sense of community. In my hometown, you'll find friendly neighbors who always greet you with a smile. In my hometown, you'll find friendly neighbors who always greet you with a smile. The streets are lined with charming houses, and there's a beautiful park where people go for evening walks. The streets are lined with charming houses, and there's a beautiful park where people go for evening walks. One of the things I love most about my hometown is the local market. One of the things I love most about my hometown is the local market. It's a bustling place filled with colorful fruits, vegetables, and all sorts of goods. It's a bustling place filled with colorful fruits, vegetables, and all sorts of goods. The market is where you can meet people from all walks of life and hear stories from the old-timers about the town's history. The market is where you can meet people from all walks of life and hear stories from the old-timers about the town's history. My hometown is not very big, but it has its own unique charm. My hometown is not very big, but it has its own unique charm. There are festivals and events throughout the year that bring the community together. There are festivals and events throughout the year that bring the community together. I cherish the sense of belonging and connection that my hometown offers. I cherish the sense of belonging and connection that my hometown offers. While it may not have the hustle and bustle of a big city, my hometown has its own special beauty. While it may not have the hustle and bustle of a big city, my hometown has its own special beauty. It's a place where you can enjoy the simple pleasures of life and savor the warmth of a close-knit community. It's a place where you can enjoy the simple pleasures of life and savor the warmth of a close-knit community. My new house. I have a new house and it's a dream come true. It's not too big, but it's relaxing and perfect for my family. As you enter, there's a welcoming living room. The lounge is where we relax and watch TV. There's a comfy sofa, and the walls are painted a soothing shade of blue. Big windows let in lots of sunlight, making it the brightest room in the house. The kitchen is my favorite place. It's where we cook delicious meals and share stories around the dining table. The smell of fresh food always fills the air, and it makes the house feel warm and inviting. We have 3 bedrooms in our new house. Mine is the comfortable, with a big window that lets me see the stars at night. My parents have their room, and my little sister has her own too. It's fun having our own spaces to decorate and make our own. Every corner of our new house is filled with love and the promise of new adventures. Our new house might not be the biggest, but it's full of love and laughter. It's a place where we create memories, and I'm grateful for it every day. My favorite food. My favorite food is pizza. It's a delicious and satisfying dish that I can never get enough of. Pizza starts with a round, doughy base that's soft and chewy. On top, there's a layer of rich tomato sauce that's a little tangy and a little sweet. It's the perfect match for the dough. Then comes the cheese. It's usually melted to perfection, stretching when you take a slice. The cheese is gooey and creamy, making each bite heavenly. What I love most about pizza is the toppings. You can have so many different kinds: pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, peppers, and more. I like to have a variety to get different flavors in each bite. The best thing is that you can share pizza with friends and family. It's a food that brings people together. We sit around a table, each with our favorite slice, and talk and laugh while enjoying our meal. Pizza is simple, but it's the perfect combination of flavors and textures. It's my go-to comfort food, and I could eat it every day if I could. It's not just a meal. It's a little slice of happiness on a plate,